Look at that, man. The great outdoors, huh?
Yeah, great outdoors.
Yeah.
Hey everybody, my name is Larry. This is Work Less, Enjoy Life More. Welcome to the channel if you're new. I actually have been recently informed that I may have not explained how it is that I do what I do, how I'm able to boondock and work part-time. So I do want to kind of go over that while we're boondocking tonight on this video. So stick around for that. Hopefully it's some informative news that might help you out. And if not, it's going to be a fun night anyways, being out here boondocking in northern Arizona. Weather's perfect. I don't think we're going to get rained on, although with monsoon season, you just don't know. They just pop out of nowhere. We are able to make a fire, so I'm really hoping to be able to do that. And, you know, who else knows? Who knows what else? I don't know. Stick around. A little hot inside the camper right now. I'm gonna cool it down. That's not good. Arizona, you have to worry about scorpions and rattlesnakes and things like that. So when you're hunting firewood, just don't be grabbing firewood. You gotta kind of look around, make sure there's nothing in it or no snakes underneath it, because you don't want to get bit. It's been real wet here in Arizona, so I'm hoping that the wood's dry enough to light. So yeah, I'm drinking the Joy Bus. Wow, I don't know if you can even see that, it's so dark, but it's an orange wheat beer, and it's made by Four Peaks Brewing Company from Tempe, Arizona. It's pretty good. I don't normally like orange beer or any kind of flavors in the beer, but this is really good. I like it. I'm just going to lay it all out so you kind of know how it is that I'm able to do this all the time. The deal is I'm 39 years old. I'm single. I've never been married. I've never had any kids. You know, I didn't win the lottery or anything like that. I'm not retired. But basically what I did was I got rid of all my bills. I was fortunate enough that I could pay off my truck. I could pay off my camper, I can pay off all my bills. I don't have any credit card debt, anything like that. I have a very simple life now. I don't go to the store and buy a whole bunch of stuff. I go to the store and buy necessities, usually only, that's it.
Oh, and you know we can't afford the fun pack. What do you think, money grows on trees in this family? Take it back. Get some Pampers for you and your brother while you're at it.
So I've just kind of really made everything basic and streamlined, and it's a lot less stressful. I still have a business, and that business does pay my bills without me having to work every week. In fact, I only work a few months out of the year, and then the rest of the time it's just my free time. But if I spent a lot of money, I wouldn't be able to do this. So this is my entertainment. It didn't cost me anything other than the price of a couple fire starters to be out here and have this fire, and the cost of the marshmallows, a couple bucks. But other than that, that's bringing me some joy right now. Hanging out here with you guys brings me, joy. This is what makes me happy. This kind of brings me back to square one. Anyways, this fire looks amazing. I'm gonna get my marshmallows going.
I'm kind of in love with Australia again, in the bush and the smells and the sounds. You can hear our birds out there now. Parrots and kookaburras and magpies, currawongs. Let alone the f***ing sounds of the bloody countryside. Hear that?
We left Deal Island probably a little bit too late. And knew we were pretty slow from the get-go, and out we went. And it was kind of a, every man had to just...
Brace, what you doing, bud? He loves the outdoors. You just sit there and enjoy it, sniff. It's a beautiful morning right now, but the problem is that I don't know what to do today. Normally I don't care. I'll just kind of relax, or just, whatever the breeze blows in, I'll just do that. You know what I'm saying? But today I'm kind of just anxious. Like, I want to get out and do something. I think I have an idea what I want to do. I gotta go check in my bag real quick, make sure I brought it, and then yeah, and then I'll get right back to you guys. Okay, that's probably the weirdest thing I've ever seen out here. Delivery truck way out here in the middle of nowhere. Wonder what illegal activities they're up to.
Oh my God!
For it! No!
This storm is like coming out of nowhere. There's been some crazy lightning and thunder. Just real quick, just out of the blue, it just showed up. So I'm gonna get inside. I don't wanna get struck by lightning. It's starting to rain a little bit. I'm hoping I don't get rained out, but I just have a little ways to go down the road, and then we'll be there. So hopefully I don't get rained out. So a couple videos ago, I ran into a guy that was crappie fishing at this lake, and he was just pulling them in, one every couple of minutes.
But then these things are called trout magnets. You sell them over $1.
Oh, okay.
And you just find what depth you want to rock, cast out there, and just slowly reel it in. The crappie, they look up because their eyes are on top, and so when they see it moving past them, they hit it.
Huh. I've never caught anything out of this lake before.
Oh man, that'll change when you get this set up.
Really? I took his advice, and I got the little lure thing he's talking about, and the bobber and everything. So I'm gonna see if I can't catch me a couple crappie. There's a lot of people here though. I don't know if they're having like a family get together here, so there's a lot of people here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to catch anything, but we'll see. Hey, you guys good? For a few minutes? Okay. Is it gonna bother you if I throw around in here?
Oh, you're fine. I'm past that way.
Okay.
You're fine, man.
Thanks.
Fish biting at all?
What in the world? You trying to catch a whale shark?
Big bait catches big fish.
14-ounce ribeye. What? The biggest fish in here is a half-pound perch.
You've been fishing with the wrong bait, son.
They don't cast right next to mine. It doesn't matter. We're not even going for the same species.
So I did not catch a fish, which, you know, it is what it is. I've never really caught anything out of this lake before, so I'm not really that surprised. You know, who knows? Maybe it's the weather. Maybe I just suck at fishing. I'm thinking I suck at fishing. I think that's the problem. I do have one more stop, so sit tight. So I found this really cool place. I don't know if it's a gift shop, but they have a lot of cool stuff out front. I'm kind of hoping it is, you know, a gift shop, because I'd like to get a magnet or a sticker or something. But either way, it's definitely gonna be kind of cool to check out. It was a really cool place, a lot of cool stuff, but I just didn't see any like magnets or anything in there. So I got another place down the road that looks pretty interesting. I'm gonna check that out. This place is a museum gift store. Looks like they got a lot of cool old cars out here, plus a gift shop on the inside. So let's check it out. Hello.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. If I can help you, let me know.
Okay, thank you.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
So I ended up with this magnet. It doesn't say Williams or Route 66 or anything, but I don't know, I just thought it was a really cool magnet, so I went in and got that. And then I got this Route 66 Williams, Arizona museum and gift shop. That's where I'm at right now. So this sticker is going to go on the back of the camper to go with the other ones. And anyways, I appreciate you guys watching, and until next time, I will see you guys then. Thanks, bye.